Hey y'all! Well, have to be an equal opportunity reviewer, and the folks at Fosi Audio emailed me and said, hey, we'd like you to review some of our stuff. And I tried to pick some stuff that I thought that like audiophiles would like. And also a warning for you folks that have commented, please stop doing unboxing videos. You probably want to stop the video now, because this is an unboxing video. So, what have we got here? First, we've got this P3, and I know I've got a pile of different headphone amplifiers to review, and I figured while I'm reviewing headphone amplifiers, let's throw Fosi's in the mix. So, let's see what this little guy looks like. It's got tubes. Honestly, I forgot what this thing even 100% was. It is a little tube headphone amplifier. Or preamp. Oh, it's headphone amp too. It's got both. So, we've got, what else in the box here? We've got the little bag. We got the user's manual. And it's got all the different specs on it. Frequently asked questions and all that stuff. Anything else in here? Nope, that's it. And no useless warranty card written in Chinese. Anyway, some of y'all will get that joke. It comes with a couple of 5654 stamped Fosi audio. Let's see what's in here. I think this is a pretty common tube for these little wall wart powered. Yeah, it's got the little JAN GE tubes. It says made in USA. Now that just seems weird, right? That they get tubes made in the USA, shipped over to China to include in the box with a little made in China headphone amp. But yeah, that is what it is. And these do look like old stock, or fairly old tubes. The pins are a little bit corroded looking. I'm sure they still make a good connection when you scrape them into the little things. And that's what the little guy looks like. Now, I'm not sure if there's an op amp in here or not. We'll definitely be opening this guy up to see what the inside looks like. And it does have a treble, bass, and volume. And then it's got RCA and Bluetooth on a little switch. And it comes with a little Bluetooth antenna and a little wall wart. And I'm not sure if these have a... Yeah, they've got a little center off detent, which we'll see what that does. And I do need to figure out a way to put these things on Audio Analyzer Suite. I did some preamps before. I think I loaded them with like a 50K resistor. So we're probably going to be doing that and looking at the frequency response on all these different little headphone preamp things. But yeah, just have to hook this thing up and see what it sounds like. And it may be what we use to power these. And these are, what are these things called? I guess we'll see when we open them up. I can't remember. A V3, I think, may be the number. But this is their audiophile style monoblocks. And these aren't like bridgeable. They're just straight up monoblocks. And it says to avoid potential damage, please connect all cables and devices to the amplifier before turning on the power. So that's nice. And it's got auto on, and then it's got a XLR and RCA little switch on it. And I'm gonna have to look. The little screening looks very similar to the screening they used on the little Yima A70. But hey, let's see what else we've got in here. And it's funny that you get this little box as the amplifier, and then here's the power brick for it. which is bigger than the amplifier. I guess in some ways that makes sense. And here's our little USA cable, which, by the way, I don't include with my product, so kudos to them for giving me another power cord to use. And this is a Hunt Key module, 48 volt, 10 amp. I think this is the big dog power supply. And so, yeah, it'll be interesting to see what these things do. And, God, does it even say on here what the model is? Yeah, V3 Mono. So, send me a pair of those. So, these are going to be interesting. And again, we may use this little unit here to drive them. See how they fit all neat together? And you can put that power supply somewhere else. And, you know, I know we normally focus on tube stuff, but a lot of people have maybe a second system or looking for something maybe to use in the summer when they don't want to have their, you know, KT88 push-pull thing adding a bunch of heat into the room. Here's another little option. So I do have another pair of the little Sparkos op amps too that we could drop in here to give it a leg up. And again, I'll have to look through here and see how many watts this thing says it is. We're going to hook it up to some of my new speakers, which is a nice thing about having something besides those RP600Ms and those DIY speakers. I've got those Fine Audio F500s and the Quad S2s now. So I've got some really nice speakers to be able to subjectively listen to this stuff. And I'm pretty sure Ayima was supposed to be sending me a couple of monoblocks too. And she said something about them getting, they were stuck in customs or something. I don't know. These got here in a couple of days with DHL. So here they are. So anyway, just a quick kind of down and dirty unboxing thing. And like I said, that's kind of a neat little setup. 3 little boxes that are same size and everything. And you have your little tube preamp with a couple of monoblocks. And these things are supposed to sound really good. And I don't doubt putting some good op amps in here, maybe rolling some different tubes in here. This may have an op amp in it too, since it's got tone controls. So who knows? I do wish it had a tone control defeat. Like one of these we looked at had that feature, which I really like, because then you can like switch it in and out and actually see if it makes any difference. And who knows, we may go inside this thing and try to figure out where the tone circuit is to bypass and see if that makes any difference. But that'll be in a future video. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying my channel. If you are, please subscribe. Please like the video. We'll be doing some reviews on this stuff soon. I'm probably going to wait till the little Ayima ones get here. Or I guess I could compare it to like the A70 and yeah, go down that route, because I don't think there's a huge price difference in them. So anyway, like I said, thanks for watching the video. Thanks to you Patreon supporters. Thanks to all you subscribers and people that regularly watch my video. And until the next video, have a nice day.